Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the presentation of Python 2. My name is Zhuohang Yang. My project was inspired of the Python 1 project, and to make it better, to use the code I learned in Python 2 to complete it. Like in Python 2, I learned some more things like functions and helper functions. So it will make the project even like more better. What I learned to use my project, the first thing I learned is list. The meaning of list is it contains different things and to store inside. You can store numbers, strings, or even other lists. And you can like call the numbers or something inside the list. So it's really helpful for the project, like doing the levels. And for the second code I learned is about functions. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. It often starts with def, which means define, I think. And it is helpful when like you can do the code for several times, and when you are called to use that code,
Slide.
some code examples. First example is about for loop, which means a piece of code that will run several times. So it often will be for something in range, and then the parentheses inside is how many times it run. It can also be other things than numbers, but like it has to be a number. And here it makes the turtle to go forward and coloring it. So I don't need to do too many times of that. And for code 2 is if-else statement. It let the code decide if this happened, then do this thing. This code really helps to make the code organized. And how do I run it? For this example, I used it for the user's choice to go which thing this user wants to do. For 1, it's guess one color. For 2, it's guess the series. 3 is guess the shape. And so, next one. This is the link to my game. My favorite part about working on this project is marking where the turtle move and with color. This is my favorite part because it makes me feel it was an actual game and not just black and white, where the the default turtle one is. So it is like more realistic to games, and black and white is just like not really good, and it looks bad. And also the color can also challenge me for new code I learned in Python 2. Next slide. There are 3 ways I would improve my project if I have continue working on this. So I would add some more shapes or colors to guess, like hexagon or something else, and colors will be like purple, orange, something like that. And second thing is add a new function called guess the shape series, which means I do like 3 shapes and guess them all, similar to guess the series, and then maybe make the shape or line look better, because when the turtle run it, like it doesn't feel like a shape, and maybe some other method can make it look better. Thank you.